In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira and Statuspage together for incident communication. If your team uses Jira Service Management to manage incidents and Statuspage to communicate with customers, connecting the two can make your workflow much smoother. It helps your internal team stay organized in Jira while keeping external updates clear and timely in Statuspage. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process from setup to live updates. First, log into Jira Service Management and open the project you want to use for incident handling. From there, go to Project Settings, then look for Apps or Integrations depending on how your Jira environment is labeled. In this section, connect your Statuspage account. Once the connection is available, choose the specific Statuspage you want to link to this project. This step is important because it creates the bridge between internal incident management and public-facing communication. Next, create an incident in Jira Service Management. Open your project and create a new incident request. As you fill it out, include the key details your team will need to respond effectively. Add a clear incident summary, list the impacted services, set the appropriate priority, and write a useful description of what is happening. Try to be specific here, because these details will help both the technical team and anyone preparing external communications. After that, assign the incident to the response team so ownership is clear from the beginning. Once the incident has been created, open that Jira issue and use the Statuspage integration. From there, choose the affected component or service that should appear on your Statuspage. Then create a Statuspage incident update directly from the Jira incident. This helps keep both systems aligned and reduces the chance of missed communication during a fast-moving issue. After the incident is linked, move into Statuspage to publish customer updates. Open the incident in Statuspage and add a public message that explains the situation in simple professional language. Then update the incident status based on the current stage. You can mark it as investigating when the team is still looking into the issue, identified when the cause is known, monitoring when a fix has been applied and you're watching results, and resolved when service has fully recovered. Once the message and status are ready, publish the update. As the incident continues, keep Jira and Statuspage updated together. Manage the technical investigation and response work in Jira, and update the Statuspage incident whenever progress changes. Most importantly, continue sharing meaningful updates with customers or users so they know what's happening and what to expect. This approach keeps your team coordinated internally while maintaining trust through clear external communication.